Besides, the prepaid VIC clients who are wanting to purchase the iPhone 13 can likewise profit twofold information benefits on the Re-Energize of Rs299 prepaid arrangement. Vodafone Idea has reported a couple of iPhone 13 cashback offers for its postpaid clients. Apple dispatched its most recent iPhones only a couple of days back, and presently, VI has uncovered some pre-request offers for iPhone 13 purchasers. Assuming you pre-request iPhone 13 through the organization's true site, you can get the item on the first day of its accessibility itself in quite a while. With this proposition, besides, the prepaid VIC clients who are wanting to purchase the iPhone 13 can likewise profit twofold information benefits on the Re-Energize of Rs299 prepaid arrangement. There are some cashback benefits too with Redx postpaid plans. For example, the Rs1099 Redx pack, Rs1699 Redx Family pack, and Rs2299 Redx Family plan. Clients pre-requesting iPhone with VI will be qualified for get the item on the first day of item accessibility in India in select business sectors, VI said in an assertion. The telecom administrator says assuming clients settle on any of the previously mentioned Redx plans, they can get 100% cashback on the primary month's rental sum. The organization further notices that this cashback will be allowed more than a half year as a markdown on the bill. Clients can moreover partake in a large group of advantages on Redx, remembering premium diversion for Netflix, Amazon Prime, travel. Besides, the prepaid VIC clients who are wanting to purchase the iPhone 13 can likewise profit twofold information benefits on the Re-Energize of Rs299 prepaid arrangement. Benefits with free international meandering and air terminal parlor access, premium client assistance, and considerably more, the organization said. Disney Plus Hotstar. Besides, the prepaid VIC clients who are wanting to purchase the iPhone 13 can likewise profit twofold information benefits on the Re-Energize of Rs299 prepaid arrangement. Besides, the prepaid VIC clients who are wanting to purchase the iPhone 13 can likewise profit twofold information benefits on the Re-Energize of Rs299 prepaid arrangement. One will likewise get an end-of-the-week rollover advantage with this proposition. It ought to be noticed that the offers are legitimate on all the most recent iPhones, including iPhone 13, iPhone 13 smaller than normal, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Clients can pre-request the gadgets through the application and across 270-plus retailer stores the nation over beginning today. The telecom administrator has affirmed that every one of the individuals who pre-book models from their site will begin getting the gadget from September 25th, which is the delivery date. Besides, the prepaid VIC clients who are wanting to purchase the iPhone 13 can likewise profit twofold information benefits on the Re-Energize of Rs299 prepaid arrangement.